still can't get over what we built this year in installs for LED lighting. I mean, the money keeps rolling in, and with you guys behind me, the gravy train will never stop.
You keep our guys on the job. We make sure the prices stay high. Everybody eats, you know what I'm saying?
Are you kidding me? My factories are pumping out BX cable like it's water running down the drain. In this city alone, there must be 1 million miles of it.
My favorite is when we start laying on the overtime. Nice and thick. We got a good thing going here, gentlemen.
Gentlemen, I'm sorry to barge in, but the party is over.
Who's this? Hey, Charlie! What do we let anybody in here now?
What's this contraption you have here?
It's Etherion. It's a PoE powered driver for 24-volt LED lighting. It lowers the cost of the material, the install, and any repairs down the line.
Yeah, we've heard this one before. I bet you can't even get this little contraption of yours to work.
Sorry, you can't fight progress forever. See you guys out there.